Ready to transform your bathroom into a luxurious retreat? The top trends of 2025 will take your space from ordinary to extraordinary with smart functionality and stylish design. Stay tuned as we reveal 20 fresh ideas to create the ultimate bathroom sanctuary. Imagine stepping into a bathroom that feels like a high-end spa. From rainfall shower heads to deep soaking tubs, these features bring luxury and relaxation right into your home. Eco-friendly materials are in the spotlight for 2025, with bamboo, reclaimed wood, and recycled glass leading the way. They not only look stunning, but also support a greener planet. These sleek, wall-mounted vanities are perfect for creating a modern, spacious look in any bathroom. Plus, they make cleaning a breeze. Step into the future with a tech-savvy bathroom that includes smart mirrors, heated floors, and customizable showers. Convenience and luxury have never been this seamless. Bring the outdoors in with biophilic design. Plants, natural light, and water features create a serene, nature-inspired environment perfect for relaxation. Loving these 2025 bathroom trends? Make sure to subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for even more design inspiration coming your way. Prioritize your well-being with features like aromatherapy showers and chromotherapy lighting. These elements focus on enhancing both physical and mental health. Say goodbye to shower doors. Open concept showers create a seamless, airy look, making your bathroom feel more spacious. Conserve water and energy with low-flow toilets, water-saving shower heads, and LED lighting. These fixtures are must-haves for an eco-friendly bathroom in 2025. Customize your bathroom with unique vanities, bespoke mirrors, and personalized decor that reflects your individual style. Keep your bathroom clutter-free with built-in shelves, recessed niches, and hidden cabinets, making organization effortless. Make a statement with bold patterns and textures in your bathroom. Geometric tiles and textured wallpapers add personality and visual interest. Mixing metals like brass, chrome, and matte black adds depth and character to your bathroom, creating a stylish, modern look. Bring the calm of the ocean into your bathroom with soothing shades of blue and green, perfect for creating a tranquil retreat. Earthy neutrals like beige, taupe, and warm gray add warmth and elegance to any bathroom, offering timeless versatility. Soft pastels bring charm and coziness to your bathroom, with shades like blush pink, mint green, and lavender adding a gentle touch. Want to know which 2025 bathroom trend suits your style? Take our quick quiz in the link below and find your perfect match. Timeless and bright, crisp whites open up your bathroom space, creating a clean, modern feel that pairs well with any decor. Elevate your bathroom with natural stone countertops like marble, granite, and quartzite, which offer both luxury and durability. Update your bathroom with sleek, modern hardware and finishes like brushed nickel, matte black, and polished chrome for a polished look. Backlit backsplashes add a dramatic, ambient glow to your bathroom, offering customizable lighting that enhances both style and mood. Make a bold impact with statement lighting like chandeliers or wall sconces, which serve as both functional and decorative elements in your bathroom. Love keeping up with the latest in design? Check out our 2025 Living Room Trends video for even more design inspiration. Make sure to subscribe so you never miss a new update. Until next time.